Hey everybody, this is Mark with WTI. Have you ever gone on a road trip or taken a long plane ride and you're so tired but you can't fall asleep because your neck and your body's just so uncomfortable? Well, this used to happen to me all the time until I discovered this pretty awesome travel neck pillow. It's now my travel buddy. It's made up of 100% pure memory foam, and let me tell you, it is super comfortable. It's got this really cool curved shape design which prevents my big head from falling forward and helps me avoid neck pain during travel. I really appreciate that this pillowcase is machine washable, so I'm always gonna have a clean pillow on my journeys. And let me tell you, I'm always on the road or in the air, and I must admit, I use it to take naps while working in my home office as well. With that said, this is one of my most favorite travel pillows to take with me everywhere I go. I love it. It gives me the best naps, and I'm pretty sure you'll love it too. And that's just my point of view.